In 2014, we started filming the Devil's Blacksmith documentary with Walfried Huber and Zoltán Takács at the Austrian Federal Monuments Office in Mauerbach, Austria, with the support of the Austrian Locksmiths and Blacksmiths Guild at the Monuments Office. Unfortunately, this work is not ready yet. Our dream is to finish our movie with local scenes in Paris, France, including locations at the Notre Dame and the Musée de Cluny, and to finally translate the final version of the movie to English. Your donation will ensure that we can continue this important work. With your help, we can preserve and conserve this unique heritage. We really appreciate your time and support.